Yes, we are more aware. Even as a department, we've seen our budgets gone down significantly over the last 2 years or something. And I mean, even when you work internally within the council, there's a lot of pressures on various teams and things. So you get a sense of where the council is heading. But therein lies the opportunity as well, that you can, and we've seen that you can save a lot of money just because you're more aware that there is less money. So yes, definitely. Yes, there are a few tips I can say. One is around contracts. So what we've done, at least within our team, is that one, we've looked at long-term contracts. So we've tried to make sure that, because when you do long-term, there is economies of scale, and you can bring them down to the least possible amount. That's the first thing. Second, we've renegotiated all our contracts, even if it was short-term. And just the way the scenario is outside, there's a lot of companies who do understand that in public sector there's little money now. So they are happy to go down as much as you want, and again, it's an opportunity as you want to look at it. So that's the first one. Second is try and get it for free. It sounds a bit cheeky, but the point being that you have to create a win-win situation. So as an example, there's a lot of projects we've done in the past 6 months or something where we haven't spent a penny on it. But then again, the company who was delivering that for us, there was an opportunity for them as well. And again, in the same vein, you can talk about collaborative working with other councils, which we have worked a lot already in the last 6 months with Hammersmith and Fulham, with Kensington and Chelsea, and we've been able to save a lot of money on those things as well. Thirdly, again, something we've used a lot in our team is technology. So going the e-learning side of things. So there's a lot of training courses which we used to deliver face-to-face. Now we've gone the technology side, even surveys. And just to give you a statistic, we've saved about £40,000 just doing that, because there is no additional value if those courses were delivered face-to-face vis-a-vis an e-learning format. So that's the third thing. And lastly, I would say try and sell your services if at all possible. So as an example, we do interviewing skills course for the council, and we've now tried to sell that course to the partners of the council, to other boroughs. And again, so not just, I mean, we used to be a cost center, but we're slowly becoming a profit center. Again, we've made almost about £10,000 just doing that. So again, little tips, but you can save a lot of money just doing that.
We've done actually quite a lot of things, because there are various initiatives, the small things which make a big difference really at the end of the day. So again, for starters, the e-learning that we have introduced recently, we've saved almost £40,000 since 2010. And just to give you an example, the corporate induction page that we sort of created, we've saved almost 60% paperwork in that. So wherever we can, we have tried to go through the e-learning mode, because some courses don't really require a face-to-face training in that sense. Other than that, we have tried to go in-house with a lot of courses where we were providing money to external providers. But because we realized, we explored our options in these tough times, and we realized that we had a couple of good trainers as well, particularly for, say, the managing health and safety course. So that's a good idea as well to save costs. Other than that, it's bargaining and negotiating, basically. So we just recently retendered a few training programs and courses. And because the market is tough out there, we need to save money as well. We didn't really go for the asking price, and we renegotiated, of course. And as a result, we saved almost, say, 20 to 30%. So it's less 20 to 30% than the original asking price as well. And finally, events. Just recently, we've had so many events, Adder Learners Week as well, and other information events too. The model that we use in these particular events is, because the organizations coming in, they need to get something out of it as well. So we are actually letting them promote their services to our staff, just to sort of provide a bridge between what they do and what our staff can achieve from those particular services. And in return, we can sort of give our staff a platform as well, where they're able to explore their personal development or professional development. So all in all, we created very successful events, and the staff were happy as well, and we saved costs as well, and the organizations were happy too. So yes, good cost savings, and that's it for now, and we are looking forward to saving more in the future.